Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 26th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner. Also, don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you want to gain access to all the benefits listed below and more. So, anyways, yesterday I was talking about this 50% fib bounce. We definitely did have a pretty nice push down right there. But instead of maintaining impulsive movement, which if that really was the end of a crescent, it would have, what ended up happening is it ended up making one, two, three waves down and pulsing back to the upside. That would have been your clue potentially to maybe enter there, maybe get out there still with some pretty decent profit. Now, I'm definitely still looking at this move up right here as likely being a crescent to this last move down. If you go back up to the daily time frame, we're in a little bit of a channel right now, but to me, it kind of seems like we need to push down maybe one more time before we actually do head up towards the top of the channel and maybe even break out at the top of the channel. So, anyways, going down to the sort of time phase, I am definitely looking at this move up as possibly a crescent to this move down. I am definitely looking at my Fibonacci levels as a likely area for this to turn. We are beyond the 50% now, so I wouldn't expect to care about that anymore. If it makes its way up to the 61%, makes a nice engulfing down, you can try to go short again. If it does maintain impulsive movement, then hold on to your short, ride that baby down. If it doesn't maintain impulsive movement, but instead makes like three waves down, impulsive up, that would be your exit, and that would be your sign that the crescent is really not over. So I'm definitely looking for shorts at Fibonacci levels. If you are trading the very short time phase, you could probably still be looking for longs. I'm not trading the very short time frame, so I am definitely waiting for Fibonacci bounces, and I'm waiting to go short again for potentially the continuation of the downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.